Hey guys, and welcome to another Southway 1943 video. Today we are going to be looking at the Bachmann 37-575 45-ton TTA tank wagon in BP green. Now, as you can see, it's the usual Bachmann packaging with the, what I call the ice cube plastic bit on the inside. Now, I bought this brand new off of eBay. I think it cost me about £17, I think, if I remember rightly. What do you get inside? Well, as you can see, it's in pristine condition, and you get the nice BP logo there, nice transfers telling you obviously what it's carrying, the code it is, you know, you got warning signs, you got the nice yellow banding around the bottom, the hubcaps for the wheel bearings have been marked out in green, which I thought was a bit unusual because they are usually red, blue or yellow. At the ends you've got the number for the actual vehicle, that's the actual vehicle number. You've got two there and two there, warning signs of overhead cables above, and you've got one small one there, and again the wagon number there. Comes with the usual NEM couplings, which I will be taking out this tension lock, and eventually I will be replacing these with KDs, probably size 20s or 19 KDs for the NEM. The underframe detail is very good, especially around here where you can see like the brake handle that back in the olden days before air braking, you know, you'd have a gentleman wandering down the side of the lines as the train comes in, pushing that down, applying the brakes. It's very, very good detail. Now, I bought this because obviously I'm building a depot layout, and this is the first one. I'm trying to see if I can get about 3 or 4 of these so I can, you know, shunt them in with my shunter and, you know, do like a scenario where it's refueling the fuel tanks on my depot. Now, I paid £17 for this. Value for money, most definitely. Quality, very, very good. Can't fault anything with the transfers. They all seem to be in the right places. All the information seems to be right. The only thing that I don't like about it is the ladders on these sides here are green, and the actual platform and the cap for filling the tanker at the, you know, the main depot again is in green. But once I've got a load of paints, because I've now got an airbrush, so I will be hopefully starting soon airbrushing things like my track and like things like this. I will be, you know, doing the usual oil streaks down the side, and I might actually see if I can take this apart and paint this bit black, because I don't know, would it have been that colour in the real world, guys, or was it black, or was it silver, a metallic colour? I don't know. If anybody knows what colour that would have been, or was it painted this colour, please let me know in the comments below. But it's not got sprung buffers, they're solids. Like I said, the tension lock couplings are NEM, so you can take them out and put KDs in. But there you go, guys, that's a quick look at the Bachmann 37-575 45-ton TTA tank wagon in BR green. Hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you have, please put a like at the bottom, and if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, guys, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye from now.